Okay, before I start pressure washing, let me show you guys something. So this is the pressure washer I use. It's just a Craftsman 1900 PSI electric pressure washer. And you don't really want to go over PSI that much more. I mean, 1500, 1900 is max on these skulls. Because if you go too high, if you go like a 2100, 2300 psi, like even more than that, you'll just blow right through the skulls. It's just too much pressure and you'll just destroy a skull. So I go with my 1900 psi pressure washer, and it does the trick. It gets everything done. I've done everything from longhorns to moose to stuff as small as little skunks and raccoons with a little bitty thing like this. So it's plenty of pressure when you need it, and it's not too much pressure when you don't. So keep that in mind when you're doing this, y'all. I'll be back with you when I start washing these things.